Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, the annual feast of the minor basilica of Our Lady of Health at Harihar is fast approaching. On 30th August 2025 at 5:30 p.m., Most Reverend Dr. Duming Dias, the Bishop of Karwar, will inaugurate the feast by hoisting the flag of Our Lady of Health, followed by solemn Eucharistic celebration, novena prayers, and special prayers for the sick. On the following 9 days, every day at 5:30 p.m., there will be procession, novena prayers, floral homage, Holy Eucharist, prayer for the sick, and special adoration. On the eve of the feast, namely on the 7th September at 5:30 p.m., there will be solemn Holy Mass celebrated by His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Bernard Morris, the Apostolic Administrator of the Diocese of Mysore, followed by novena prayers, adoration, and praise and worship sessions. On the feast day, the Eucharistic celebrations begin at 5:15 a.m. in the morning. There will be Mass at every hour in Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, English, and Konkani. At 11 o'clock in the morning, there will be solemn Eucharistic celebration celebrated by me. I welcome all of you to these spiritual exercises and the festive Mass. Come, pray, and receive the graces from the Lord through the intercession of our beloved Mother of Harihar.